Introducing growth milk vending machines for selling loose milk. These come with versatile push button double display RFID panel. We can dispense the milk by just pressing a button or by showing RFID card with pre-loaded money. The milk will be dispensed in the container with predetermined volume. These machines are available in different capacities and with multiple dispensing stations to dispense different variety of milk such as cow milk, buffalo milk or mixed milk. The milk will remain chilled to deliver fresh. These machines can also be placed on the mini truck for delivering milk directly to home or at any convenient location. These road milk vending machines are insulated, which ensure high quality of milk is dispensed at all times.